Hi everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Deidre. Beenie Man is rubbishing claims of assaulting Fambo. Now, Beenie Man is putting to rest claims that he physically assaulted fellow entertainer Fambo after the DJ reportedly released a video accusing the Rum Red Bull collaborator of assaulting him. Beenie Man denied the allegations in a statement on Tuesday, describing them as false, malicious, and defamatory. He added that he has retained legal counsel and is in the process of compiling evidence to prove that the claims are false. Now, the statement also demanded a public retraction and apology, as well as the immediate removal of all social media posts, videos, stories, and other publications repeating the accusation. Tarrus Riley dropped from Best of the Best Miami 2026. In a statement on Wednesday, the singer shared that he will no longer be part of this year's staging of the event, which is slated to take place this weekend, despite being officially contracted and advertised by the event promoters. His management team says he remains willing and able to perform as agreed, and that neither he nor his management has breached any contractual obligations related to the event. They added that the decision to remove Tarrus Riley from the lineup was made solely and unilaterally by the promoters of Best of the Best Miami 2026. Now, the Best of the Best team explained that the decision was made after learning that the singer had been booked for a free event in the South Florida market. After becoming aware of the booking, the decision was made out of respect for both the artist and his supporters. They added that it was only fair to allow fans the opportunity to enjoy the experience without having to choose between events. Best of the Best and the other event are scheduled just days apart. Dancing online in his underwear isn't the only thing Vybz Kartel has been up to lately. The king of dancehall has been hitting the booth and is ready to unveil his latest body of work with God on Time. The project, which is slated for release next month, features the Shenyang boss herself Shensia, Skilly Bang, and Puerto Rican superstar Farruko. In an interview with Billboard, the DJ revealed that he named the project God on Time due to the popularity of the phrase in Jamaica. He added that while in prison, his lawyer would always repeat the phrase to him until he eventually started believing in himself and applying it to his life. Now, produced by longtime collaborator TJ Records alongside Vybz Kartel, God on Time reunites the creative team behind 2015's Viking, Vybz is King, and 2016's King of the Dancehall, which included the RIAA Gold certified hit Fever. The project follows two consecutive Grammy-nominated projects from the King of Dancehall, both the 2024's Party With Me, which arrived